everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and I'm really excited because today I will be replacing these planters with new clay pots that I purchased. I will be making two of the same planters, but I'm only going to show you one today. This is the planter that I chose, and I really liked it because of the whitewash. And I will be planting this succulent tree in there, and I don't know the name. I tried looking for it online and I didn't have any luck, but if any of you know the name, please let me know in the comments below. So I'm going to start by removing the tree out of the container it's in. So I'm going to tip it over gently because I don't want to break any of the roots or branches. So I'm going to just use pressure to loosen it. Hopefully that's all it takes. I chose this succulent tree because I really love the color of the bark. And I just think it's so beautiful. So it's coming out. There we go, it's out. And I'm going to take some of the soil off and then start to massage the roots. And it's been in here for a while, so I want to massage the roots so that when I plant it in there, it starts to grow. I have some cactus soil in here. So I'm going to grab it and transfer it into the pot. Just loosen some of the bottom. All right, let's see how it looks. I think that's a great height. And now I'm going to add more soil. Stay. Have a rock that I'm going to use to hold the tree in place so that it's not tipping over. Can take the rock out. Push the soil in its place, and ta-da! We have a standing tree. One of the other things that I loved about this succulent tree are the little flowers at the tip of each branch. I'm also going to be adding some succulents around the tree, and I really love this Scraptopetellum bronze. The color's so beautiful. It's been out in the sun, it's stressed, and the color's so vibrant. So I'm going to add some of this. I'm going to take it out. Going to gently start removing some of the soil. It does have quite a few roots, so I don't want to break them too much. I think I'm just going to place it in there. I was thinking of breaking it apart, but I want it to stay in one piece, so I will just put it in there like that. Okay. There we go. Looks so pretty. Turn it so you can see. Next, I will be adding this stone crop, and I love the shape of the leaves. They're so pretty, and they have a pink tint to them. And if they stay in the sun, they'll keep that tint. So this one might be tricky to get out because if you can see, the roots are growing from the bottom of the pot. So let's see how it goes. So I'm actually going to need scissors to cut this because it's not coming out. as easily as I would like it to. So let's just cut this. Let's see if it comes apart. Gotta make sure not to cut myself. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to remove most of the soil from this one. Has well-established roots. So I'm going to put that one right here. Let's move more of the soil. This thing is definitely large. Let's try again. Last but not least, I'll be using this beautiful neon breaker. The great thing about these is that they have irrigation to them, so I'll be able to use it in the new pot, but I'm a little afraid of what's going to be under this pot, so let's see. Here we go. I don't even want to look. That's okay. Nothing suspicious. Out with the old and in with the new. I'll be moving on to making the second one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about my new arrangement in the comments below.